Hello, my Sisama come who Africa Professor One, more spokesperson Africa Professor One Nekasa. Send any day with the kind of Basa platform so now subscribe we have more than subscribe and share. The do what dance now hitting notification bell. Anytime I may upload a new video, no, you be among the first to get the video until like it, and subscribe and share. It's not enough so by platforms so be who do any boss as well as some ben or kakanoko. Nyabutre niti as some kakramika ha. Information and education and then she say man wa until one more time we African Professor One more spokesperson with chairman African Professor One and Kasama Samba African Professor One platform so near me no quite bia and command person no dino because for one of the major political parties in Ghana NDC National Democratic Congress and once an person make makasa for NPP who be brave but and then me person me devote to my attention I say my conversation in command person no twetwe no efa NDC ho enti command ma to enkomo and I say title on say me say when would NDC pick a presidential candidate from Ashanti Region and I say the ben NDC e be choose Asantini amana lady and that's why you frank to for ama NDC. That's what it is. When would NDC pick or choose a presidential candidate from Ashanti Region? And I say Asantini ebe lady NDC when the bank and command person num din. There's a reason ewo assemti a mibusa sa kwesiwe. All along sa Ghana for mbeje dia anasem mubekaya de bia NDC for sorry a na NPP Asante for party Akan party Asante for party na obi ofri north there and as sabi yenu ma omo free north from omo yes sabi so 10 years or whatever 10 years means. I don't know what it means. I don't think it makes sense, but the point is yinye nipa the ba say NDC sorry a and the ban omo NDC for nyina ase din katua mahama wan nyina and NPP there enya de obetima twisu not na amana lead NPP da the thing be a vice. I know it's a vice president and your position ketwa. But guess what? NDC can that's the narrative for Maka to Ghana for team. And the Ghana for be brave. O my jet, o mutrasia, o mugrin, you may be quite one funny man quite drinking deeply. And Sana, o my passive conclusion, and I say, o my genie may be the Bacatcher o Mubiano, there's Mudis, and the MPP, a tribal party, a Asante for party. NPP Asante for party, NPP Asante for party. When we can't to us, NPP Asante for party, NPP Asante for party, over and over and over and over again. They say they be also in contempono. We can't say or repeat here. Now, quite said the iron crano. Until a man acquired BBT said here, and some NDC for can, you know, when this for can for NPP, who say NPP Asante for party. Until Yadi umbe choose not na, ama not na. LED NPP da masunti mikase na baumia back in the day na mahama 80s no more can say or several Akufo-Addo interest ni anya de a Asante for be print ama not na LED NPP. But here we are say you were not na baumia onya Asantini onye Mfantini onya Ngrani oye not na so and say only LED NPP say one year NPP Frank to for or flagbearer of NPP for upcoming 20 December 2024 general election and that's a presidential election. Enti ye choose say NPP choose nothing. Said all the naysay name crofon in some kakafa NPP for who nyina say I can't trouble party Asante for party Asante for party nyina no say Asante for party, say Asante for party, say NDC, NPP, ewo Frankes too far, or not na, Alaji, Mamudu, Baumia. Fine. Then, and I'm person Busa NDC for say. Most of the Ben na NDC, Mosumbi, Chusu, be a way Asantini, I'm gonna lead this party for over 30 years, party, no 30 years, or muti party. No. Asantini be a vice presidential candidate that. And no, some wakwaye Frank to for. It was sorry, you see, I did you were near the show near Sino, and son way you be NDC sorry and NPP intimi choose not na Messi say and NPP choose not na and oye frank etufo na mo na NDC for so daben and the NDC so be choose Asante ama Asante abe even vice presidential candidate kura daben because okay the history of NDC they hate Ashantis to the core. That's for sure. The Omo parents are Asante for be she I say some can mid-level position be so but when it comes to say Frank Etufo and I say presidential candidate and I say vice presidential candidate, there is no way say NDC be choose Asante ni. But the Omo here Nana Konadu-Agyeman Rawlings 2011 I say sunya as the end. I wasn't there, but information is there for everybody to see. Obia onene kru former first lady Nana Konadu-Agyeman Rawlings onene kru Rawlings and the NDC. Everybody knows that. And so Drew Mrebia or try say or NDC flagbearership. Said you see dog on the way you see demonize mameno. And you would dinner telling some of Mukafana. And one I won't tear any stress, any pressure, any araku, and one the continue party. That's for sure. So, Oman choosing that. And so much Timaka could choose, sir. Some Central Region. Minimum the class, so professor, and I say we a former academic professor, and I says no Mahama vice presidential candidate. Now every indication so say on one crown to be a Obesan and I renominating as a man a presidential candidate. She Dufo, Dr. Dufo try so baba ye. She the no. Boni just all NDC. Me say the most tribalistic and I said trouble party in Ghana. NDC, but somehow no, omotima twist and turn the party no to make it seem that say somehow no NPP mum and the trouble party. Na NDC the but okay the way me say so okay the way omusi here Asante for within the party no position be getting even the bamom they say top 2 top slot position no, there's no way. And who the NDC ni NPP compare? At least, so okay, if you look at the history of NPP, almost all the say vice presidential candidates in one notness, mostly notness. And it's all your vice presidential candidate and your position kitwa. That's the top position. Now, but NDC vote me changing narrative in such a way say, oh, no, you is in 40, the second slot when they sell. Hey, now who can we throw? First, second, position kitwa. Now more NDC no, what make you should be of Ashanti Region so. Ababe Frank Etufo da. What may be there? Never, and I don't think say in our lifetime no, it will happen because. If you look at the history of NDC, in so many ways, and so many levels, almost frustrated Ashanti people within the NDC, some party. Me say Nana Konadu-Agyeman Rawlings, everybody knows it. Nana Konadu-Agyeman Rawlings, she was one of the major funding fathers alongside Nikru and Omoti NDC. Now me see 2011, on the late Professor Mills. And they try to be contested for some presidential slot of the NDC. Look at what they did to. Look at what they did to. Nana Konadu-Agyeman Rawlings. Why? Because why Asante? Why Asante? And the only reason I'm tolerating the Kakran is Nikru. And they just say, can you say, who bound up? Okay, PVO say the rap PVO being played in say NDC, PNDC, say Rawlings party. Rawlings and I said Rawlings administration, in military administration, more or less, no, the PVO bill is the prime minister and I said so the way Papa no, year no ni ade no. The same woman tata and sa in such a way say one track cry say it be Obabe contested for sa presidential slot no. And that is what it is. Until they make cunning in our money in our and say Ghana pa the two major political parties in Ghana, ye papa ye tribalistic. And I say, hating one particular tribe will be our Ghana, NDC, and the Ashanti, because they have so many nasty things. negative things to say about Ashantis that are not true, but they keep propagating that. And somehow a lot of people again it traction among certain group of people in Ghana. And unbelievable. It's the person me can the tintin and titi and say, so up a party tribalistic, the most tribalistic party. I said the Miami New Katachi Afrifa Kayana, the most tribalistic party in Ghana. And NDC. Now the reason a band bass answer because they have some kind of hatred be. It may be veiled, it may not be so conspicuous and also so, out there, but down beneath the surface, beneath the surface, under the radar, say, NDC will never, maybe they may prove me wrong, will never elect Ashanti person to be a presidential candidate or vice presidential candidate of the party. If you look at the history for the past 30 years now, party notice in 1992, so say up to this point, tell me, say, Asante Ben, and let me I'll break it through to the vice presidential candidate. And I said, no, say yet not now. Libya, it's a Rawlings and a Nottingness. That's about it. And an Infante. That's all that is. Asante for the no. But in Kofono have the temerity and also more have the nerve to tell people, say, NPP, a tribal party, the NPP and elected not in that. Yes, they have been proven wrong. They say Baumia, Dr. Baumia is from the north. He is the presidential candidate of NDC, NPP. Now, person who say the bear na mo NDC for so mube kusha santini. I'm gonna lead this our party no. It we as society. You see, it's idea they will niswa. And you free one son who you be there. It is a command person. Miss one more time. The most tribalistic party in Ghana is not NPP, it's NDC. Why NDC will never, in our lifetime, elect Ashanti person to become the presidential candidate and I say vice presidential candidate in that party. It's a command person may say, when would NDC pick a presidential candidate from Ashanti background or from Ashanti region to lead the party? Say the almost say and NPP for to mean choose not and ye choose be. Then to most of the bay and also make me choose Asantini. I'm gonna leading party. Come on, person one more time. We African Professor One. To subscribe, share with friends and family, like it, hit the notification bell. Now, I will talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.